So you can use your computer or TV and then signing into your YouTube TV account at tv.youtube.com. Then after you signing into your YouTube TV account to add or record any show or movie to your library, first you need to find any show that you would like to store first. So for example, I want to make this Harpoon Hunters to be added to my library on YouTube TV. So you want to click right here at this three dots vertically, just click on it and then click on Add Harpoon Hunters. So you can do it on any show, just click on the three dots and then click right here on Add with the TV show name. Or the second way to do it, you can just click on any TV show or movies. So for example, I'm gonna make this Dexter on Resurrection to be added to my library. Just click on it one time. And then you can just click right here on the plus icon. And YouTube TV will automatically recording it and store it to your library. And then to access the record that you just saved in YouTube TV, you want to go to the library right here at the top of your screen behind home page. Just click on library and then you will find any recorded TV show that you added before. So if you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to add and find shows to library on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.